Latin Per Diem's LLPSI Unit 2 Beta blasted off on May 11, and this beta version is packed. It's got crystal clear audio for chapters 10 through 18. You can dive in with 5 initial lessons from the early chapters. Conquer the course with 30-plus videos, more than 40 hours of expert instruction. New lessons drop weekly so you can keep the momentum going. Challenge yourself with optional quizzes and tests, and get personalized live instruction with me, Dr. Noe, every week via Zoom. That's all part of the package. Only 25 beta spots are available, and several of them are already spoken for. So claim yours now for just $175. But maybe you're asking me, Dr. Noe, what if the beta sells out? No problem. The Unit 1 price is going up to $295 on June 1st, but from now until then, you can grab Units 1 and 2 together for just $450. That's a whopping $140 savings, almost 25%, versus buying them separately after the sale closes. Use coupon code BUNDLELATIN now to save big. Don't miss this launch. Your language learning journey awaits.